Hello dear students, how are you all? Yes, I hope everyone is fine. Oh, you might be very confused that why madam is outside. Today is there a picnic? No, today we are going to learn the science. Let's outside the room. So we are going to learn the science. We have started the lesson getting to know plants, and in that we have learned the two systems, that is root system and shoot system. So let's discuss about the shoot system. Already we have discussed the one point of the shoot system, that is stem. So let's discuss about the main other part of the system of shoot system. But before moving to that main part, just I want to ask you the one question. Where your mother prepare the food? Yes, in the kitchen. The one room is allocated for your mother, that is the kitchen. Yes. So similarly, as you know, the plants prepare their food by themselves. So which part of the plant prepare their food? Yes, this is the main part of the plant. So let's discuss about the leaf. As this is, see, breaking the plants, and see, if I would have shown in the library also, in a laboratory, that by picking up this stem, but see, breaking the stem is not good. So let's learn outside. So today we are going to discuss about a leaf. So can you see this leaf? Yes. So this is also, as they prepare their own food, the leaf prepare their own food. So this so they are called as a kitchen of the plant. They are called as a kitchen of the plants. Now what is this? This is a stem. Now the leaf arise at a node. You can see every leaf, we have learned that leaves arise at a node. So this is the nodes. So and the point from the node, you can see this part. So this part is called as a leaf stalk. This part is called as a leaf stalk. Okay. So the stem, near to the stem, this is the node, and at a node the leaf arise, and this part is called as a leaf stalk. That is also called as a petiole. Now this whole part is called as the flat surface of this leaf. You can see this is the flat surface of the leaf. This is called as a lamina. And this outline. Now every diagram, when you are drawing, when you are doing the drawing, you are drawing the outline. What it is called? Margin. Similarly, this leaf, our border is called as a margin. You can see this middle line, the peticell. The peticell is elongated, means this is extended from the center. So this is called as a midrib. Now if you will look at this leaf properly, you can see the number of, like this, some lines are there. So they are called as a veins. Are you getting this? I hope you have understood the part of the plant. Okay, one time. This is a stem. This at a node, the stem arise, the leaf arise, and this part is called as a leaf stalk. That is called as a peticell, and this is called as the flat part is called as a lamina, and this outer boundary is called as a leaf margin. This are called as a vein, and the middle part is called as a midrib. Are you getting this? We have discussed about a part of a leaf. Now let's discuss about more in detail about a leaf. Okay. So if you will see this leaf, okay, if you will see this venations, they are like this. Yes, you can see the venations, they are like this. So these venations, they are called as a rectilinear venation. So they are called as a rectilinear venation. But if you will see the plant of banana plant, if you will see observe the venation. You can see, observe the venation. How are they? They are parallel. So they are called as a parallel venation. Now in the last part, we have discussed about a root system, that is taproot and fibrous root. Am I right? So how we can recognize without digging this? Can we recognize the which root is there? Yes, we can recognize it. Now if we will look at this, see, it is having the rectilinear venation. So the root inside this, it will be a taproot. It will be a taproot system. But if we will look at this parallel, now we can see by looking at the venation, we can recognize which root system is there. Now it has a parallel, so its root system will be a fibrous. Its root system will be a fibrous. So by looking at this, observing the leaf, you can immediately tell which type of the root system is there. Okay. So now after that we are going to discuss about the function of leaf. What is the main function of this? Now as you can see, this is a green plant, so that it prepare its own food. So main function is it manufacturing of a food. It can prepare the food. Okay. So preparing the food is nothing but what? Now as you know, because of the plant we get an oxygen. But how do we get the oxygen? As they prepare the food, means that process is called as a photosynthesis. That process is called as a photosynthesis. They take the carbon dioxide and water and mineral they get from the soil. This function the root function we have discussed. They absorb the water and minerals and they are provided to the plant. So similarly, the carbon dioxide and water gives out the glucose, that is C6H12O6, that is the glucose. Like that they prepare the food with the help of the sunlight, and this green plant means that is a green pigment that is called as a chlorophyll. The green pigment is there in the plant, that is called as a chlorophyll. Okay. So this green plant prepare the own food, and by doing this process they release the oxygen. They release a lot amount of oxygen. And one more important thing is that for the respiration they take oxygen, but the oxygen produced during the photosynthesis is more as compared for the respiration. Are you getting? So we get the oxygen. So this is the main function of the plant. Then next is exchange of gases. Now if you will look at this plant, they have the stomata. You can see the tiny pores on this leaf. You can see the tiny pores on this leaf, which will be not be visible with our naked eye. If we will take with the telescope, we can see this, but we can see a tiny pores on the leaves. They are called as a stomata. They are called as a stomata. Through this the exchange of gases takes place. Then the next function is transpiration. Transpiration is nothing but a transpiration itself, the word itself tell you, it transfers the water. Now whatever the water is taken by for preparation of the food, then the remaining water is evaporated. That the water is evaporated. So that process is called as a transpiration. And as the water is evaporated, then again the root absorb the waters and it is given to the leaf for the preparation of the food. So this is the main function of the plants. We can say leaf. Are you getting? So like the root and stem, we have discussed about a root and a stem. All the functions, they some part of the plant is are doing the additional work. So like that we are going to discuss. Now. I'm going to show some plants which are doing the additional function. About the modification, that is the additional function done by the leaf. So first is defense. Now you can see this plant. Yes, you can see the leaves are converted into some thorns. They are made up of thorns. Why they are converted into thorns? To protect them from the eating from the other animals. To protect them from the eating from the other animals. You can see these are converted. The leaves are converted into the thorns. Yes, spice like thorns to protect themselves from eating from the other animals. So this is the one of the function of the leaf. Then you can see the another function of the leaf, that you can see this plant. The stem of this plant is too weak. The stem of this plant is too weak. So the leaves are converted to support them. So this leaf and leaflets are converted into the tendril. They are converted into the tendril. So this is one of the additional function done by the plants. The modification done by the leaf. Are you getting this? Then let's learn about the reproduction. Then the next function or the additional function of a leaf is that See, you can see this leaf. This is a bryophyllum. In Marathi we say panfuti. The birds are developed on this leaf. The birds are developed on this leaf, and with this we can say the new plant can grow. With this, because of the birds, the new plant can grow. So this is one of the function of the leaf. Then the last function is storage of the food. Now if you will take the onion is a plant. It is a leaf. It is a leaf in which the storage of food takes place. So these are the additional function of a leaf. I hope you have understood it and you have enjoyed this leaf part. Thank you.